How to add ICS file to Google Calendar. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add ICS file to Google Calendar. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Google Calendar, navigate to this section at the top right corner. There is a settings menu, you have to click on it. From here again, navigate to its settings. Now under settings, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. There is an option for import and export, so click on it. After that, under this import section, it says select file from your computer. Click on it. Now you have to select the ICS file from your device. Once you have selected your file, then you have to click on open. After that, under that, it's an option that says add to calendar. Click on this drop down and select the calendar where you want to add your or import your file to. After that, click on import button. Now once the import is successful, you will see a confirmation message or the successful message on the interface. After that, you can head back to your calendar and open up the calendar to check whether the event has been or the file has been added or not. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.